All right, now, Friday. Looky, another week. 12/08/31 seconds year 2023, 7th month, July, and the 14th day. The brother is enjoying some of the REO Speedwagon Roll with the Changes. Song goes like this. Keep on rolling, keep on rolling, at the table. Burning. So if you're tired of the same old pages, oh, down on a skeet range, and at the doctor we get 1-9, the house in the spit ground, and it assume, yeah. Keep on rolling. Anyway, so and then there's this. Here's the switch right here. All I really need is just cut those wires and just. I don't really need the switch in the door to go on and off anyway. It never really has functioned anyway. The dryer has always turned whether I had the door on or open or closed. So something's going on with this jizz switch right here, and it does have a plug-in from Glade. Anyway, so I'll just put that right there. And I'm wondering. See, the thing is, now, that's right. Hold on. Get another experiment going. I'm going to see if I can get the song playing at the same time. Oh, yeah, but then that would be a copyright if I posted it publicly. So I would just have to save the video for the self because the bully gets offended because he thinks that he owns all the music. you got to have my permission. Here's my dictionary. What's it say on my dictionary? It says, the definition of suck. What's the definition of suck, son? So, lest there be a fit thrown, and there needs to be another war. Shall I fire up the battle engine? Battle guns ready. Might have to bring in the submarine. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get this thing functioning. Anyway, later.